Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Alright, so in today's video, I wanted to basically bring something that I'm just really loving, a trend I'm really loving right now, and of course it is whitewashed floors. I am absolutely floored by whitewashed floors. See what I did there? Okay. So honestly, I do love this. I hate to call it a trend, but I love this moment that whitewashed floors are having. It's a great way to add a really relaxed feel, a casual feel to the space. Now, what I love most about whitewashed floors is the fact that you can have a lot of the warmth that comes from having wood on your floors, a lot of the coziness that a wood look gives, but you can have it without the darkness and the richness that having wood on your floors gives, right? So a lot of times we choose floors in darker hues, darker shades of wood. You're gonna have your mahoganies, you have your darker kind of toned walnuts, and a lot of times that can really make your room look dark. But by whitewashing your wooden floors, I mean, it's amazing for creating a cozy atmosphere, but yet it lightens and brightens your room at the same time. So I think this look is perfect for a beach-inspired home, or even a home that may be shabby chic or rustic, like a French chateau look. The floors are absolutely adorable for every room, whether it's your children's room, whether it's a kitchen, and it just brings a really relaxing, soothing, laid-back feel to your home. Now you can also find whitewashed brick, you can find whitewashed stone, and even laminate that may have a whitewashed effect, which means that you don't just have to have hardwood floors to get this look in your home. And speaking of whitewashing with stone, I've seen some rooms that have whitewashed stones and it just looks really vintage. It is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you can see it in entryways and even in restrooms. I just think this is the perfect look, and it's really a trend that I'm just super feeling right now. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet, let you guys vibe to the music, see this video, and yeah, let me know what you think about this look down below. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.